Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong bagong babang DepEd Memorandum number 004 series of 2024 ni Secretary Sani Angara. No, ito may kaugnayan pa rin sa kakatapos lamang po na hagupit ng habagat at ng Typhoon Carina, no, sa iba't ibang lugar sa ating bansa, especially po sa mga lugar dito sa western section ng Luzon hanggang sa northern at extreme northern Luzon. Ayan. So, isa po sa mga highlight ng DepEd Memorandum na yon ay yung loanable amount na nagkakahalaga po ng maximum of 200,000 pesos para sa mga affected personnel. Pero marami pong mga nilalaman pa yung DepEd Memorandum na yon. So, isa-isahin po natin. Okay po? So, ito yung DepEd Memorandum number 004 Series 2024. Ayan, bagong-bago po ito, sariwang-sariwa, July 25, 2024. Ayan, nakalagay dyan, to all regional directors concerned, schools division superintendent concerned, regional and division DRRM coordinators concerned, for Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, Region 4A, Region 4B, Region 5, Region 6, Region 8, CAR, and NCR, and all other concerned. So, naka-particular po dito yung mga regions na pwedeng mag-avail nitong ating especially po yung loanable amount na 200,000 pesos na i-discuss po natin mamaya. So, hindi po siya applicable sa buong Pilipinas. So, applicable lamang po siya particularly sa mga areas na directly affected nitong southwest monsoon at ni Super Typhoon Carina. Ayan. So, ito po yung title ng DepEd Memorandum, Reiteration of the Preparedness for Response Measures in Connection with the Combined Effects of Southwest Monsoon and Super Typhoon Carina. Ayan. So, ito po yung pinaka-memorandum niya. Hindi ko na po babasahin isa-isa yan. Yan po yung nilalaman. Punta lang po tayo dun sa mga pinaka-highlights ng DepEd Memorandum na ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito po, mahalaga po ito. Yung number 2, yung section number 2. Moreover, should LGU request the use of schools as evacuation centers, all school heads shall adhere to the following measures. So, ito po yung dapat na paghandaan ng schools at ng LGU before tayo po ay tatanggap ng mga evacuees. Ayan. Ito po yung pinaka-importante po dyan. Ito po yung pinaka-importante dyan. Gymnasiums, learning and activity centers, auditoriums, and other open spaces shall be utilized first. Classroom shall only be used as the last resort. So, maliwanag po dito mga kamaestro. So, last resort lamang po ang classrooms during evacuation. Ano po? Then, if ever man na matuloy po sa classroom yung pag-evacuate ng mga affected victims ng isang calamity, yan, kailangan po sila ay mag-i-stay lamang doon not more than 15 days. So, hindi po pwede magsobra sa 15 days. Okay po? So, yan po yung bagong order ngayon in terms po of evacuation. So, not more than 15 days. Alright? Then, ito po yung isa sa pinakamaganda rin, pinaka-highlight nitong memorandum na binanggit ko na nga kanina. Cognizant of the possible impact and devastation caused by the recent typhoon to DepEd personnel and their families, the Office of the Secretary wishes to highlight the availability of the DepEd Provident Fund in times of calamities including typhoons, particularly pursuant to DepEd Order Number 37, Series of 2018, titled Amendment and Additional Provision to DepEd Order Numbers 36, 2007, and 37, Series 2018, prescribing the maximum loanable amount and delegation of approving authorities under DepEd Provident Fund Program. The following Provident Fund loans are available to affected DepEd personnel. Ito po ay para sa mga affected personnel itong nakaraang kalamidad po sa atin. Ano po? So, pwede po kayong mag-avail ng multi-purpose loan, MPL, up to 100,000 and additional loans up to 200,000 for extreme emergency cases including calamities like typhoons or payment of hospital bills of DepEd personnel or member of his or family within the third civil degree of consanguinity, affinity, or death of a member of the borrower's family within the third civil degree of consanguinity, affinity. Ayan. To qualify, a justification for an extreme emergency is required and net take-home pay must not fall below 5,000 pesos. So, basta hindi pa po bumababa sa 5,000 pesos ang inyo pong net take-home pay. So, pwede po kayo mag-avail ng loan, provident loan up to 200,000 pesos kung kayo po ay isa sa mga naging biktima nitong ating Southwest Monsoon at Super Typhoon Carina. Ayan, accomplish application form stating among others the specific purpose for which the loan will be used. Isa po yan sa mga kailangan i-accomplish. And then, ang pinakahuli po, latest payslip or payroll indicating monthly salary deduction. So yan po yung isa sa magandang nilalaman nitong DepEd order na to, or yung DepEd memorandum na ito mga kamaestro. Ayan. So yan po yung nilalaman ng ating DepEd memorandum number 4 series 2024. Ayan. Hindi ko na po isa-isa itong mga sumunod na mga paragraphs. Kayo na lang po magbasa diyan mga kamaestro. Ayan. So signed ba yan? Signed po yan ng ating Secretary Sunny M. Angara. Siyempre may taki po yung kanyang pirma, pero ito po legit kasi ito pong binabalita natin ngayon ay galing po mismo ito sa official Facebook page ng ating Secretary Sunny Angara. Okay po. Ito po yung pinaka-summary, no? Pinaka-summary po ng ating DepEd Memorandum number 4 series 2024. First, implementation of preparedness and response measures for every schools. The second, use of schools as evacuation centers for a maximum of 15 days. So 15 days na lamang po tayo. Then number 3, Provident Fund. Affected DepEd personnel may avail of loans, multi-purpose loan or MPL up to 100,000 and extreme emergency loan up to 200,000 pesos. And number 4, school building insurance. Ayan. The Bureau of Treasury implemented the National Indemnity Insurance Program or NIIP through the GSIS to provide insurance protection to government assets against natural calamities. For 2024, 132,862 DepEd school buildings with an approximate value of 800 billions are insured. Alright? So ito po yung nilalaman muli ng ating DepEd Memorandum 004 Series of 2024 dated July 25, 2024, signed by none other than our DepEd Secretary Sunny Angara. Ayan, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa ating video kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa ating channel mga kamaestro, subscribe muna para ikaw yung unang makakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad dito yung mga updates tungkol sa DepEd. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3